Hey, what's happening? What's going on, YouTube? My name is Matt, in case you don't know who I am, and I'd like to welcome you to my channel and this video. I am the leader and founder of Chartbulls Trading. We're a group of investors and traders who come together every day and make trades and learn from each other and practice technical analysis on stocks and crypto. And if that's something that interests you, I'd love for you to join our free chat room, which is the first link in the description. And you can come say hi to myself and the other guys and hopefully learn a lot from there like I have. So I'm making this a morning late. I was supposed to make this last night and I got a little tied up, but yesterday, my day 5 of trading on my Trading July challenge, I pulled in $330. So I pulled in $330, which is my highest trading day so far. And if we go here, we can see so from July 10th, I ended at 1865, and then yesterday I ended at 2386. Again, these days are all a day ahead, so it's actually the 11th my time, but it's saying this was yesterday. So 2386, so 1865 to 2386 is a 28% gain in the Bitcoin value. So I pulled in 28% on Bitcoin and $330. And so I just want to go ahead and talk about my trades a little bit. I made 4 different trades throughout the day yesterday. I made 1 trade in the morning and then 3 trades in the afternoon. Everything was about a 5% scalp or all the way to a 3% scalp, but then the fees added on to that, because on BitMEX, if you do a limit order, they actually rebate you the fee, so the green is all extra money that I've received just from making trades. So for instance, I got 0.002 Bitcoin just for making this trade off of a 60,000 quantity trade, right? So let's dive into it. I do have a lot of July 10th in here just because that's what I was trading yesterday. And also to get a little bit of, this is a day late, so I'm having to look back at my TA, but I left all the lines that I was trading with yesterday. My initial plan was to try and open a short here if it candled up, like wicked out, and then also to watch the previous support or resistance line here, which I'll tell you how I played that later, and then also as a support line here. I was also using my indicator predominantly. So the red and green lines are an indicator that I wrote. That's available to my Chartbulls trading students. That's the second link in the description if you're interested in becoming one of my students. You also gain access to this indicator. But I was trading on the 3-minute all day, and so this is what my chart looked like. All right, so while trading on 3-minute, I was just shorting from the red to the green and buying from the green to the red, basically, is an easy way to say it. So the first trade of the day was a short at 63.71 as well as 63.81, and I sold at 63.69. So 63.71 was here, and then 63.81 was probably right around here. It wicked out, but then I sold at 63.69 off of this bounce off of the volume weighted moving average, which is my gold line. So that was like a little 5% gain or something like that. Then I went long. I think. I'm trying to remember how all this played out. I went long, and yeah, so I went long and then sold. Where's my actual fills here? Trying to see where I shorted again. So I went long at 12:34, sold at 12.45. So all of these were all the way up. This was all one trade. It just got executed weird. But I went long at 63.58 and sold at 63.65. So 63.58 would have been probably off of this candle right around here. And then sold at 63.65. So just a very, very quick little scalp for 5% or whatever that was. And then went long at 63.62.5 on the pullback. And then sold at 63.66. And then shorted at 63.70, 63.77.5. And then got rid of it at 66.3.5 for a nice little gain as well. But that was the worst trade of my entire day because that's when we did catch the volume all the way up to here, but then I shorted it back down, so it was all good. So as far as a recap, yesterday was definitely by far the most confident day of trading I've had so far in this kind of 5-day period. So in my 5 days of trading, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, my 5 days of trading, this was by far my most confident day. That can be seen by both my dollar gains as well as my Bitcoin gains, just pretty much blowing everything else out of the water. My goal in trading is to make at least $250 a day, but the 330 kind of puts me up at a next level tier that I want. My next goal is $380 a day. If I can make $380 a day, that basically averages out to a 6-figure salary. And at that point, I would consider going full-time trading. But obviously, I got some work to do till then, as well as just growing my account, my total account. I am curious to see. I should have done this before, but to see where my total account dollar value is at now. So I'm at $1,518, $1,518. I did start at $660. So let's do 660 to 1,518, I believe. Short-term memory loss. And that is 130% gain. So I am doing well on my return on investment so far, but we just got to keep cranking, keep making it work, and keep those profits in line. One thing yesterday that I really stuck with, especially after the day before, so if you watched day 4's recap, you know I was stuck in a position for way too long. It definitely pulled out at the end. I basically only made like one trade, and it worked in the end, but I was trying to be too greedy. I wanted too much for that individual trade, and so yesterday I really focused on just the quick actual true scalping, quick flips for 3 to 5% gain, and that really paid off just to follow my basically my rules and to not get greedy, to not overtrade or anything like that. And so I plan on doing that again today, and we'll see how it works. I guess you'll see today's recap later tonight, and we'll see how we do. So thanks for watching. If this entire series is interesting to you, and if you want to continue to learn how to day trade and pull in 130% profits, subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave me a comment, join the Discord, and if you'd like to get like a head start on day trading, click the second link and join my trading school. I'm glad that you watched this, and have a great rest of the day. Peace.